Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. Today we are going to show you how to easily log into your Beyond Bank account. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Beyond Bank website. You can do this by typing beyondbank.com.au into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you are on the home page, look for the login button usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Now you will be directed to the login page. Here you will need to enter your member number and password. Make sure to enter these details correctly to avoid any login issues. After that, click on Login button. You will be now logged into your Beyond Bank account. From here you can manage your accounts, transfer funds, pay bills and much more. If you have any trouble logging in, make sure to double check your member number and password. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the Forget Your Password link to reset it. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.